communication system is used in small-scale industries and medium-scale industries. It has many latency issues and data loss issues. Our idea is to rectify those issues using optical fiber technology. OFC is widely used in telecommunications and networking. We are going to implement that technology to rectify those issues.
In current trend, many industrial communications has been done by IoT, copper and also using satellite. But there are some issues like speed and security. Here, the speed talks about both the bandwidth and the speed of data transfer.
From the start to an end, we had a very good approach to our project. We had a vision and we focused on how we can achieve it in a very successful manner. We started our project in a very slow time, but we gradually increased our work speed and we make sure we do things in a very rapid, perfect and an efficient manner. Yes, when we come to the resources, from the time we started our project, we have been searching and collecting resources from various technical persons and locations. Yes, we have undergone a lot of on-site technical visits, industrial visits, and we have attended theory classes based on network architecture and OFC technology from geo centers and other external technical support persons. Yes, we have undergone a lot of obstacles and we have an n number of ups and downs, and we have overcome it just because of our teamwork and hard work. We have a lot of resource persons and we got a lot of technological support from our college faculties, our seniors and also the external technical support.
Industry 4.2, the factory of our future, the fourth industrial revolution, mainly focuses on digitalization. Digitalization from our point of view mainly focuses on time, speed, latency. We chose optical fiber over every other cables because optical fibers are speed, intense and it is safe and secure connection. This is our connection because we transfer data through machine-to-machine communication in today's technology. Today's technology is more advanced than other technologies, which includes cloud computing, big data analytics and robotics. We took robotics as an sample and we implemented our optical fiber technology into that to test how optical fiber technology gives us accurate mode of transmission in machine-to-machine communication. Optical fiber technology actually gives us more efficiency, more accurate time and more accurate speed than other forms of communication. The optical fiber technology, we transfer it through splicing and we transfer data through one machine to another machine. This affects the production at a more cost, which actually involves logical production by 10 to 20% and industrial production by 30%. So we confidently tell that our idea of implementing optical fiber technology in today's communication gives more reliability and speed and faster technology.
We successfully transferred the data received from our sorting system using OFC communication and Pico as our microcontroller. In this project, we completed our review paper, research paper and project prototype. In future, we are going to modify these systems, inbuild it in the existing computing systems like VMC, CNC, lathes, etc. Our main target customers are MSME based industries and large scale industries which require this type of communication. In this project, we learnt how to splice network architecture, network protocols, basics of components and Python programming languages.